Shurachette, a kind-hearted boy with a curious spirit, roamed the outskirts of the village, his ears attuned to the sounds of nature. As he wandered, he came across a series of small wells filled with mud, their depths hiding a secret yet to be unveiled. Intrigued, Shurachette approached one of the wells and peered inside. To his surprise, he saw movement, a creature struggling amidst the thick mud. It was a sight that baffled his young mind. He carefully extended his arm into the well and pulled out what appeared to be a small, strange animal, a creature resembling a rat. However, as he continued to rescue more from the murky depths, it became evident that they were not rats at all. Shurachette's heart skipped a beat as he realized they were tiny puppies, coated in a layer of mud so thick that they had transformed into living statues. The poor creatures could barely move, their eyes filled with desperation. Questions swirled in Shurachette's mind as he carefully washed away the mud from their tiny bodies. How did they end up trapped in the wells? And where was their mother? The puppies, now clean and free from the oppressive mud, were revealed in all their innocence and vulnerability. Their bellies grumbled with hunger, signaling their need for nourishment. Shurachette's compassionate heart ached for their longing, and he resolved to care for them until their mother could be found. Shurachette embarked on a mission to find the puppy's mother. He shared the story with the villagers, seeking any clue that could lead him to her. Just when Shurachette was starting to lose hope, an elderly woman approached him with a glimmer of excitement in her eyes. She had heard about the puppies and recalled a stray dog that had been seen roaming the outskirts of the village. The description matched that of the mother dog. As he reached a remote clearing, he spotted her. A gentle, weary dog, her eyes filled with a mix of sadness and relief. Shurachette approached the mother dog cautiously, her maternal instincts guiding her to trust this young boy who had cared for her precious puppies. The mother dog's eyes widened with gratitude and affection as she recognized the scent of her offspring on Shurachette's clothes. As the sun began to set on that momentous day, Shurachette brought the mother dog to her home and she reunited with her pups.